It's a sunny day in Sheffield and we're here at Ward High Tech. A sunny day, but a great day. Why is that, Julian?
It's a fantastic day, Lyndsey. We've got 5 machines leaving us today, heading for one customer over on the East Coast. We're really excited.
I would be really excited. I mean, 5, but they bought 7.
They have bought 7, which is, in times like this, it really is an act of faith on their part. As an expression of their confidence in Ward High Tech as a supplier and as a future support company for their business, yeah.
So some of the key points that I pick up from Ward High Tech is the fact that you've got stock readily available. You have been doing some fabulous discounts, and you have some great finance options where you do buy now, pay later. But parking all of that aside, what was the reason behind this purchase?
I think, one of the things we make a big thing out of the fact that we look after people properly, and as much as we look at what they want to make, we look at what they want to do, and we try and match what they want with something that we can possibly offer. And, on this particular occasion, the guy was moving from a situation where he wasn't machining at all into effectively building a brand new, from scratch, floor up machine shop.
What? Like from scratch? So he's got basically a shell?
He's a manufacturer, and he's been relying on, let's say, subcontractors for the past 3 years.
Wow.
Completely. And now he's moving into machining again. It's not something completely alien to him because he has done it previously.
Yes.
But the philosophy was we move away from machining. Now they're moving back, and they're going back. They're really, as you can see, they're really going for it.
They're going hell for leather. Absolutely they are.
Absolutely.
They're so excited. So what's the future? What's your predictions for this company with 7 of your machines sitting in their machine shop?
I really don't want to go too deeply into it, but the thing I've been told only yesterday that their order book has increased by millions since they even thought about this, and it's just going through the roof. It's absolutely incredible. I mean, this is only the start.
Yes.
There's a machine going in, I think it comes over in September. It's the largest machine I've probably ever sold. It's a multi-pallet horizontal borer. It's absolutely huge, and that's all part and parcel of it. That'll be 6 lorry loads. This is 3, this'll be 6.
Wow, well, there's a lot of machines here. Do you think we're going to see a lot more companies use the super deduction tax in kind of bundles of machines? Because they're making great savings.
It's, the super deduction tax is a very positive move forward, and something I think is going to assist us all in the capital goods equipment sector tremendously. I mean, this particular customer is going to save effectively up to £500,000 on the fact that he's bought so much equipment, he's spent so much, he's got it, he can save it against his next tax bill. It's absolutely fantastic. We can only hope that other people are going to take us up on that, and they're going to move forward as well. It's very, very positive.
Well done for you. 7 machines and a fantastic news and story really for Ward High Tech based here in Sheffield. Thanks, Julian.
Brilliant, thank you.